Hello and welcome aboard the all-new model year 2019 Sea Ray SLX 250. Today I'll take you through some of the new features and benefits and some of the changes for model year 19. But first, let's talk a little bit about Quiet Ride. Quiet Ride is a hallmark feature on all Sea Ray SLXs from the 250 to the 280, the 310, and the 350. With Quiet Ride, we use sound dampening material in the construction of the liner, the hull, and the deck. And we couple that with a tuned transom. The result is a 50% reduction in noise decibel levels in the cockpit. It gives you the equivalent ride of being in a passenger car at 65 miles an hour. So it's very quiet and you can actually have conversations while you're underway. Here on the transom of the SLX 250, we'll talk a little bit about some of the features here. You've got your nice sun pad lounger, faces aft for when you're underway. It's also convertible to make sure that you're always seating in a nice comfortable position. You also have additional 12-volt plugs to keep your electronics charged, as well as cup holders to hold your beverages. This boat is also equipped with our optional sea deck on the transom. It's available in just your traditional non-skid or sea deck. This SLX 250 also has our submersible platform. A couple of key things to remember when operating your submersible platform is one, your ignition key must be in the off position. You then have to activate the submersible swim platform at the helm, and then the controls to actually deploy are located here in the transom walkthrough. You can also notice the two Fusion stereo speakers here on the transom. New for 2019, all Sea Ray models are transitioning over to Fusion head units. This has the premier stereo system in it, which gives us two bow speakers, two cockpit speakers, and two transom speakers, as well as a second transom remote to control your audio. Here on the transom walkthrough, you'll see you've got a nice large storage compartment here. A couple of things to also notice with Sea Ray, we have A-side finishes on our doors and hatches. This gives you a nice clean look on both the top and the bottom side of your hatches. We also use a cam style latch, so not only does it latch the hatch closed, but it's also going to tighten it down, and that reduces the rattles and vibrations when you're underway. Also here in the transom walkthrough, you'll see your second head unit available with the premier stereo system. Also located here is where you deploy your swim step. And then also this boat is available with an optional power tower. So with the push of a button, we can raise and lower our power tower. This is great if you have bridge clearance issues or in and out of your dock, or just need to be able to lower it down for some inclement weather. Also available here on the transom walkthrough, we have our side entry step. If you're coming down off of a high dock, this makes it a lot safer to board your boat, but also is where your battery switches are located. So it's nice and convenient so you can reach them from the dock or the first thing when you're boarding your boat for the day. So here in the cockpit, you can see this great social layout where everybody can hang out and enjoy the day together. A few options that you'll notice here. One, this has the optional folding teak table. Allows you to have a place to sit, put your beverage, put your lunch, but also fold up so you can easy access around the cockpit. You'll also see that we mount the table to the side instead of in the floor. So this reduces your trip hazards and also gives you a little bit more leg room. Also, you'll have storage under here, under this seat, easy access to your batteries under this compartment here. And then on the starboard side, you've got dedicated cooler space built into the seating. This boat is also shown with our optional Infinity flooring. It's also available in standard marine grade carpet or snap-in sea deck. Here in the cockpit as well, you'll see another large storage compartment. And again, you'll notice the A-side finish on both sides, but you'll also notice that with Sea Ray we use struts with all of our hatches and doors to make sure that they're not falling on your head or down on your fingers while you're getting your gear in and out, but also our cam latches again as well. Also, to increase the seating in the social zone in the cockpit, both the helm seat and the port side companion seat both easily spin to face aft to join your friends and family. They also have your flip-up bolsters on both the port seat and the starboard seat. That way you can stand up when you're operating your boat or sit down and be comfortable either way. Also on the port side, you have a locking glove box for small electronics or your wallet, and also access to your head. Also new for 2019, you'll see we've redesigned the helms on all of the SLX family. Now standard on all SLXs, from the 230 to the 250 to the 280, are twin 9-inch Simrad displays. You're also available to go up to the 12-inch Go displays. You'll see this has the optional 12-inch. You'll notice their 12-inch display has also been redesigned this year, so you have no buttons or knobs. It's a full flat glass dash built into the systems. Another nice thing with switching to the Simrad units is Vessel View Link is now built in from Mercury. So we no longer have to have the separate module for Vessel View for Mercury. Also again, for 2019, we've changed over all of our audio to the Fusion system, so you can see that here as well. Then in addition to your digital functions on the Simrad unit, you can see we still have our manual switches for your key critical functions on the vessel. Also still available on the model year 2019 is the DRS system, so the dynamic running surface. What the DRS system does is it's automatically going to actuate your tabs to help you get up on plane faster, give you a nice flat smooth ride, and make sure that your boat is balanced at all times. This is also where you'll raise and lower your engine hatch, as well as operate your optional windlass. Here in the center walkthrough to the bow, you'll see the sleek cross-curve windshield with optional stainless steel header, as well as your block-off door to reduce wind in the cockpit, and an additional storage compartment. Here in the bow of the boat, you'll find additional storage under each of the seats. Hinge storage here, additional storage under the smaller seats. You'll also have access to your anchor locker. This boat is equipped with the optional windlass system. You can access that here. Then you also have an additional large storage compartment here under the helm. So thanks for joining me today as we walk through the 2019 Sea Ray SLX 250. Please visit searay.com for more details on our full model lineup.